This is Lesson 7D. It is the fourth lesson in Unit 7, and believe it or not, we're almost done. Yesterday's video was a little bit longer than I like. Today's video is going to be a little shorter than I like, so it all averages out. Come back in your notebook to this page, because remember I asked you to write down these exponent rules and leave a little space at the bottom. If you watch what I do, these are the 5 that you should already have, and then I'm going to slide it down to, actually number 7, because number 6 is, a little something else. Number 7 is the one from the last video, which is x to the negative z is equal to 1 over x, that's a z, 1 over x to the z. The surprise, well, sneak in one. Check this out. X over y, the whole quantity to the w, is equal to x to the w, y to the w. We haven't actually gone over this yet, but I think that by this point, number 1, you just want to see the rule, and number 2, we've done enough of this so that you kind of get the idea. Now, I'm going to scooch over this way because there's a second part to this. X over y to the negative w, look at that, just flip it over, equals y over x to the w. Which, of course, according to the rule that I just gave you, equals y to the w over x to the w. This actually completes your list of the exponent rules that I expect you just to know. It's rather a lot of them, but they're kind of useful things. And you're going to need these for the rest of your time doing math, not even just algebra. So let's get a little bit of practice at this new rule that I just snuck in there on you. Notice that I'm not simplifying these. I don't need to know what your calculator knows. I want to know that you can put these to the correct exponent. What I'm hoping is that you will pause the video, do these in your notebook, and then come back and check and make sure that we've got the same thing. Okay, I'm kind of hoping that you know this already. If I know Kathy, I suspect you've used it somewhere before. Scientific notation gets tossed in with your lesson on exponents because it involves using exponents. Scientific notation is simply a really big or a really small number written using a power of 10. For example, 8 times 10 to the 5th. That would be kind of large. It would be 8 and 5 zeros. Or 6.3 times 10 to the 7th, which would be a really small number because it's negative exponent, so you're going to move the decimal the other way. What else? 4.12 times 10 to the 22nd. That would be a rather large number. Couple important points. The exponent tells you how much to move the decimal point, and it's not scientific notation unless you have only one digit to the left of the decimal point. If I had written this one as 412 times 10 to the 20th, it's not scientific notation anymore. Let's get a little bit of practice for this, and again, I'm expecting that you will write these problems down and then check your work against mine. This second group, we're converting into scientific notation. Remember, one digit to the left of the decimal point. And your classwork, there will be worksheets and check sheets for them in the box. I told you this was a short video.